Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the language on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Signal app on your mobile device. This ensures you have access to all the settings and personalization options available within the app. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile picture or icon displayed there. Go ahead and tap on it to access your account settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of how Signal looks and behaves for you. After tapping your profile, you'll be taken to a menu with several options. Look for and tap on Appearance. This section controls the visual and display settings of your app, including important features like themes, chat colors, and of course the language you want to use throughout the interface. Next, tap on Language. This option determines which language Signal will display all its menus, buttons, and messages in. Changing this setting is especially useful if you're more comfortable navigating the app in your native language or if you're learning a new language and want your apps to match. Now, you'll see a list of available languages that Signal supports. Browse through this list and tap on your preferred language. Signal offers a wide range of language options, so take your time to find the one that works best for you. The list includes everything from widely spoken languages to more regional options. After selecting your preferred language, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen asking you to confirm your choice. This is Signal's way of making sure you intentionally want to switch languages and didn't tap by accident. Go ahead and tap OK to confirm the change, and that's it. Your Signal app is now displayed in your preferred language, making it easier and more comfortable for you to communicate with your contacts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.